guys, it's Graham here from Plugin Shops. Video 1 is basic installation of your Plugin Shops software. A little bit of housekeeping to get going. You must have your domain already set up on your hosting, and on your domain you must have installed WordPress 2.9 or 3.0. Also make sure that you have IronCube installed on your server. If you don't know, you'll have to check with your host on that. Grab yourself some free FTP software. I recommend FileZilla. And last but not least, make sure you've got your Plugin Shops software ready to go. Before we start, you need to have a few items ready. You will need your FTP server address, your FTP username, and your FTP password. Once you've got those 3 items, we can get going. First thing to do is to type in your FTP server address, which will typically start with ftp.yourdomain. You can follow that with your FTP username. Now I just type in my username because I've got a dedicated IP address. But if you don't have that, you will need to type in your username at your domain. And finally your FTP password. And click the browse button. It'll bring up a box and you choose where you're going to install the Plugin Shop software, which will be in WordPress content plugins. And there we have WordPress content /plugins, which is where the associate magic will be installed. Now we've got the plugin software, the install software. We'll just do a little bit of checking, and then you'll be asked to input your install address. So you start off with your domain name, and that will be followed by the WordPress content, so /WordPress or WP-content /plugins /. Click on next. You can see that the installer is just checking. It doesn't take long to do this, typically 20 seconds or so. Then it'll bring up this page where you need to just double check that everything is what you want. The directory URL is the main thing. Once you've checked all that, you can just click on the install button. Now the installer will do its job. This takes a little while, so I will pause the video until it's finished. Okay, it's all done. All you need to do now is press the finish button and everything will be installed for you.